In this video, we're going to be showing you a new feature in Locabulary. This came from one of our users, and we thought it was a good idea, so we're going to include it in the next release of Locabulary Pro. The problem is that once you start building a bunch of categories, your category list gets pretty long. So to reduce the scrolling and clicks to phrases, we came up with custom categories, which is a collection of your categories. My category stays the same. It contains all the phrase categories that you created, so you're not going to lose anything during the upgrade. You can always go to My Categories to find anything that you've created. So consider My Categories a place where you want to build everything that you've created, and then this custom directories is just a way to organize it, so it's easier to get to and faster. So why would you want to create a custom directory? Say restaurants or school or work. There's certain categories of phrases that you may want to use. It may be too big to fit under one single category. For school, you might have a category set up for math class, category set up for English class, gym class, whatever. So we're just going to give you the ability to organize it a little better. So to get started, we're going to download some restaurants. Click on search. We're going to search for everything. We could put some text in there to limit the number of responses. I'm going to click Get Category. Okay, we save that. So go back to the top here. And now we've got Buffalo Wild Wings in our categories. Okay, so next you'll notice this upper right-hand corner, the settings has moved to the left. We've added an edit button. So I'm going to add a new category and call it Favorite Restaurants. Save that. See, I could also here, if I wanted to add an image to it, if I had a nice little thumbnail, I could add it there from iPhoto. I could take a photo with a camera. So a couple ways to do that. We won't do that today. So I'm going to save that. I want to do one more called, we'll call it school stuff. We're going to save that and say OK. So now we go into favorite restaurants. We don't have anything in there, so we're going to click edit and we're going to add some of these. And you'll notice this is the same list that you've got in My Custom My Categories. So we're going to choose some of these. So I'm going to say Chi-Chi's Macaroni Grill, P.F. Chang's, Outback Steakhouse, Buffalo Wild Wings, throw in Zaxby's. Okay. So these are our favorite restaurants. We like what we see. We're going to say OK. Of course, I can rearrange the order. Let's see. I like Buffalo Wild Wings the best, and then Outback Steakhouse. And school stuff, I want to add, let's see, I've got a generic school, social studies, history, English, math, gym. Say okay. I'll save that. So now, in addition to be able to go into My Categories and scroll down to find Buffalo Wild Wings, I can go into Favorite Restaurant, and it's right at the top.
Traditional wings, sauces, sweet barbecue.
So I can use those phrases a little quicker than going through My Categories. Of course, you know, if you had hundreds of categories, it's going to save you a lot of time. So hope you like this new feature, and as always, we like to hear from you, so please send us an email and suggest some features. Thanks again.